Hello guys, in previous video we were discussing about resources which are classified into mainly three groups. First one is natural resources, second human made resources and third one is human resources. In this video we will be able to know much more about natural resources and its categories. First of all, we would like to know what is natural resources. Natural resources are drawn from nature and used without much more modification are called as natural resources. Natural resources are mainly classified into different groups. First one group is level of development and uses. Second group is on the basis of origin. Third group is stock of resources. Fourth group is distribution of resources. And fifth and last group is on the basis of accessibility. Natural resources are free gift of nature and can be used directly. The air we breathe, the water in our river and lakes, the soil and minerals. Natural resources are classified into different groups. Now, let us discuss about different groups of natural resources. First group is the level of development and uses. On the basis of their development and uses, resources can be classified into two groups. First one is actual resources and second one is potential resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. The resources which are being utilized at present in a given region. The development of resource then depends upon their quantity, quality, technology and the level of cultural status of the particular region. These are being utilized by the human society at present. Now come to potential resources. Potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. For example, Himalayan region for hydropower, Rajasthan and Gujarat for wind and solar energy. These are the potential region of India where these resources have not properly developed so far. Now come to the second group of natural resources which is on the basis of their origin. On the basis of origin, resources can be abiotic and biotic. Abiotic resources are non-living while biotic resources are living. Now let us discuss about the both. Biotic resources. The biotic resources are acquired from nature and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. While abiotic resources are those the substances which are made up of non-living things are called abiotic resources. For example, rocks, metal, water, soil and etc. Now, fourth group is on the basis of distribution. On the basis of their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Resources that are found everywhere, like the air we breathe, are ubiquitous, but those which are found only in certain places are localized, like copper and iron ore. The distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ from over the earth. And fifth group of natural resources is on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, natural resources is divided into two groups. First group is renewable resources and second group is non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical process, are also known as replenishable resources. For example, solar, tidal, wind energy, water, forest and wildlife, etc. And non-renewable resources, the non-renewable resources are those which cannot be recycled, rather they get exhausted after their uses. These resources takes millions of years in geological time to get formed, such as minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gases, and etc. In short, we can say that natural resources are those we get renewed or replenished quickly, and non renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once the stock has exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. The example of natural renewable resources is solar and wind, and the non renewable resources examples are coal, petroleum, and natural gases are. Thank you. Thanks for watching.